Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 8th, 2022. We're going to talk about NEO today and the stock crash. You guys can see already. Let me be forthright with you all. I told you that I was looking for the price of NEO to go up. It didn't do it. This price prediction did not go right, and it's going to happen. It occurs. But when it does, you simply need to learn from what happened so it don't happen to you again, because this one went against me. Check it out. You guys appreciate the videos and the content, hit that like button. Should have been also subscribed to the channel. Now, at what point would I have said that, yeah, I need to change my mentality of thinking NEO is going to go up to it going down? What day did that should have happened? At what point? Because I identified a support area in the market in NEO that I was going to be cool with the market going down. As long as the price of NEO was going to maintain $17.50, I was going to look for the market to continue to try to be bullish and continue to run up. Well, the market in NEO right here on the September 27th fell down. It crashed below my support area that I talked about on the video on September the 20th, 2022. So it wasn't even long that the market in NEO did not even sustain the bullishness. Like, the market in NEO, as I zoom out, was really doing a fantastic job of trading within this range, right? Well, now we fell below $16, which was acting as support in NEO. So where are we going to go now in NEO? We should not be thinking bullish. We should be thinking that the weakness into the market in NEO is going to continue until we see the market in NEO at least break back up above $16. Okay. So yeah, this last price prediction did not go correct. Weakness continued to come into the market in NEO. And you guys can see it right here as to where we really should have garnered the idea that this price prediction was not going to go up, or that NEO stock wasn't going to go up. Okay. So if anything, you're down 16.5%. or on the close of this 2-day price bar, which was on October the 5th, of 29%. We need to cut that out the way. Now we need to get right back into position, because I only look at the price chart because the price chart tells us what everyone else is doing regarding buying and selling this stock. Now, we broke a massive area of support that I wanted NEO to hold. We fell below that area, and that completely tells me that the market in NEO is in a massive downtrend now. You guys can see, though, even though the market in NEO did a fantastic job running up in 2021, this is actually the trend right here. Down here in March of 2020 is where this trend line actually came and formed the ascending line. So let's not be surprised. I think I'm missing this on a couple of videos back in NEO, that we can still see the market in NEO come down to this trend line. You guys can see where that is, right? That's right there around $7.50. Everybody's not going to think that the price in NEO can run that low. Like, especially when the market was trading around $55, $60, that was asinine to even consider NEO running down to $7.50. Well, when I show you all the 3 months chart, take a look at this. Look at this on the 3 months chart. Okay. This is very plausible that we can see the market in NEO come down to $7.50. I'm telling you all this right now. Now, is it going to happen next week? No, probably not. Is it going to happen in the next month? No, probably not. But can it happen in the next 6 months to year time frame? Most definitely. So we need to continue to keep that into the forefront of our minds, to say that the chances of seeing NEO fall 44% is still on the table. All right. So let me go ahead and show you all what I think the price is going to do now, because obviously, since the market went against me on my last idea, then naturally we need to flip and say the price is still going to go down. Okay, so looking at this on the 3 months chart, we all can see the low of the market in NEO right here around $11.50, maybe to the high that came in on this 3 month price bar right here. Okay, now you guys can see the high of this 3 month price bar when NEO first started trading in 2018. The market is going to try to hold that next week. So we may actually get a small bounce in NEO next week, but let's not get excited. Let's not talk about the rallies coming back into the market in NEO, because that's not going to be the case. This horizontal line up here around $16. Don't forget, I mentioned that to you all. We can see the market run back up to 16. Everyone's going to get happy. Everyone's going to be ecstatic. Everyone's going to tell you to jump back in and start buying the market in NEO. If the market price does not break above 16, then the price is still going to go down. Okay. Let me show you all the monthly chart in NEO. Because right here on the monthly chart, this is why the market in NEO is still going down. Okay. So my first price target is going to be right here on the low of this monthly price bar in May, which is around $11, maybe $12. So we'll do our first price target around $12 in NEO. And then my second one is going to be around 11. Okay, so we got $12, then $11 in NEO. Okay, look at that on the 2 weeks chart. So the market here in NEO is still massively weak. This 2 weekly price bar alongside this one all signifies sellers in the market. All right, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. That first price target I told you was going to be around 12. Okay, that's what, 12.71%. Okay, 12.71%. And then that second price target is around 11. That's 20% move right there. And like I told you earlier, the market in NEO, even if it goes up, does not break above $16 in NEO, then we understand that it's a fake move. It's not true. That's where you needed to sell the market in NEO. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this there, straighten these lines up. So I am going to get rid of this middle line. I want us to start to focus in on this trend line here, because I know nobody else is going to talk about it on YouTube. So I want to be one of the first ones to bring this on your radar and be prepared for the market in NEO to run down to this trend line. All right. So as time goes on, we'll see how close the market in NEO is going to come to this long-term ascending line. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.